Mayong adlaw higala. Welcome to the part 2 of our video series, Let's Make Sentences in Bisaya Cebuano. Now let's start. You can see on the left side our table. So in this table, all the details are provided. We have the nouns, the name of the person, the pronouns, the verbs, the objects, the locations, and the adverb of time. Okay, and on the right side, you can see the subject sentence formula. And this time around, we are adding the preposition sa and the location. So under the location row, you can see at the table, go to location row. There are three choices. Tindahan, which means store. SM City, it is a mall. Okay, Balay is house. We still have to use the basic tenses, the past, present, and future. Ni for past, nag for present. Again, nag can be past tense as well. Future is mo or mag. I will not give you all the answers yet in this episode, so watch out the part 5. We will discuss all the possible answers from this table and by using the formulas that I'll be sharing with you. Mga higala, build your verb vocabulary using these flashcards. We have digital and laminated flashcards available on the shop. Links are at the description box just below the video. Now let's go back to our lesson. Okay, so all we need to do in this part 2, we'll just add the preposition sa and the location. By the way, if you haven't watched the part 1, I strongly suggest you start with part 1. Get your assignment. I hope you have done your assignment. In part 1, I asked you guys to list down the possible answers using the formulas that I have shared with you guys in the episode 1. So all you need to do this time around, just add sa and the choice of your location. Okay? It could be tindahan in SM City and Balay. One example that we have is si Alan ni sayaw og Macarena. So we will just add si Alan ni sayaw og Macarena sa, I'd like to use SM City. Sa SM City. Si Alan ni sayaw og Macarena sa SM City. Alan danced the Macarena in SM City. Also, mga higala, you can see here that there is a C. The reason why we have C in our sentence formula because we are using noun, a name of a person. Remember, C is a subject marker. There should be a name after C. You might ask if it's okay to switch places between the object and the location. Okay? So, higala, the sentence formula that I'm sharing here are just guide on how to construct a sentence in Bisaya. Normally, we put the location at the end part of the sentence. Sometimes we don't follow the exact formula when we say something, okay? So, but these are just guides on how we construct it. You can remove the location or you can remove the object depending on you. Yes, you may omit the location or you can remove the object and the location is present in the sentence. Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can stop at the object. You can use the full complete sentence formula. It depends on you and the conversation. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, please use the chat box on the website. Okay? I respond to you as soon as I receive your message. Daghang salamat o kita-kita ta sa part 3. Bye!